Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll talk about stack in Java collections. So earlier video, we saw that the interface of the Java collections. Here, the uppermost interface will be iterable, and collection interface extends the iterable interface, and also like list we have implements the collection interface. Similarly, in today's video, we'll discuss about this stack. This is a class. It again extends the vector class. So we'll see now what are the methods available in this stack and how this stack works. Okay, let's how we can use these methods. Something in this video we'll discuss about the push method, pop method, search method, peek method, and also empty method. These methods are available in the stack class. So before that, to use these methods, we need to create an object for this class stack. Make a stack equal to new stack. Okay, now it takes all types of element like integer, string, float, everything it will take. So I want to restrict this into only the integer. So I will add some generic as integer. So copy and paste it here. So now it takes only the integer type. Push method. This push method is used to add the element to this stack. So something like the stack will be like this. Once the element get added, it will go and save it here, and once you add one more element, it will go like that. Okay, let me add first element stack dot push. So 11. Once I add 11 here, it will go and 11 will go and save here. And if I add one more data, stack dot push 22, it will save the 22 somewhere, something like this. Similarly, let me add few more data and 44. Okay, here the values will be saved something like 33 and 44. So these many data we have added already. So stack will looks like this. Okay, now let me check this out. Let me print out these value. So let me run this program. See, the element is added here. Now we'll see the next method. We'll go for, so before going to pop, I'll go for the peek. Let me go to peek method. So the push method is used to add the element to the stack, and peek method used to fetch the data from the element from the stack. So how we can use that? So stack dot peek, right? So it always fetches the last inserted data. So in this case, we have inserted 44. Last inserted data is 44 in this case, right? It will always fetch the data from 44 from the stack, and it will retain the same. The stack, original stack will be retained the same. That means, so let me use this method somewhere here. Let me print out this value as well. The peek. Let me print out this. To differentiate that, let me use peek. This will be the stack value. Okay, so let me, after this peek, let me print out the peek value as well, stack value as well. So let me run this program. We can see here, as I mentioned, it always fetches the data from the from the stack, and also again I displayed the stack value. It retains the same. There is no, it is not impacted on this original content which is available in the stack, right? So this is so. So always peek method always fetches the data from the last inserted data. Okay, let me add one more value here. Stack dot push. If I add 55 here, so in this case, peek will fetches 50 because last inserted data is 55. So peek is always fetches the data which is inserted at the top of the stack. Now let's move on to the next one, the pop. The pop is so similar to the stack, but only difference is that it will remove the element from the stack. So let me use pop here. So pop method will fetches the data from the last inserted data and it removes the data from the stack only. So in this case, let me run this. I will show you how exactly it works. ID, this is the pop, right? Sorry, it's a pop. If you observe carefully, it's the original data which is inserted from here, right? So the peak means it is fetches the data, last inserted data, and it doesn't impacted anything on the existing stack. But pop, once we do the pop operation, it fetches the data from the last inserted data, but it will remove from the stack. See, after that I displayed, but 55 is not there. Means it is 55, it is removed from the stack itself. In the peak and pop, both it will fetch the data which is last inserted. In peak, it won't remove the data from the stack, but pop, it remove the data from the stack. Okay, there is the difference. Now we go for the search operation. So search method, we use sysout. So now we have this is the stack value. So stack dot search. Let me search the data 33. So search method will return the position of the 33 from the last inserted data. So in this case, let me go back to this one. So here we have pop out. Now we have 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55 are removed because of the pop operation. Now I want to get the data position from the 33. That is what my intention here. 33 position I want to search. So it will returns the position of 33 from the last inserted data. From here, last inserted data 44. So position, this one is position 1 and 33 is position 2. So 2 should be returned. Let me add some value. See, position of 33 is 2, it should return. Let me run this. We can see that 2 is returned. So if I want to check the position of 11, so in this case the 11 will be this is the position 1, position 2, position 3 and position 4. 11 is the position 4 now. So it should return the position will be 4. Okay, at last we'll see the empty operation, empty method available in the stack or stack.empty. See here there are two methods available because there are multiple methods are available because these are not coming from the stack only, because empty method is coming from the stack and isEmpty coming from the vector. As I mentioned here, stack extends vector class as well. That's why it is taking the data from the vector as well. That's why it is showing up all the method which is available in the vector also. See, if I use empty, there are two empty methods available. One is empty from the stack and isEmpty from the vector. So let me go for the empty from the stack. If the stack is completely empty, then it will return the true. Otherwise, it will return the false. So in this case, we have in the stack, we have data, we have element, right? So in this case, it should return the value as a false. Search, run this program. See, finally, it returns me the false. In the interview, they ask about these methods only from the stacks. So again, regarding the push, pop, search, peek and empty. So push method, the push method will to add the data to the stack, and pop method it will fetch the data and it will remove the data from the stack. Search, it will returns the position of the searched data. Peek will get the data from the stack and it won't modify anything to the existing stack. And empty, it is search the whether the stack is empty or not. If it is empty, it will returns the true, otherwise it will return the value as a false. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and please share with your friends, those who are looking for the Java concept, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further useful videos, guys. Thank you.